So, what chance can we give Bitcoin right now? Look, if they give us a climactic action here, I think that would be fantastic. Honestly, it doesn't matter. If the price drops to 87,000, nothing is confirmed yet. But if that happens, it will be forced to recover with a V-shaped move. If it doesn't recover in a V, then we expect it down at 75,000, and for me, with a trap at 73. But to even think about a reversal scenario, they can still create a trap. They can still do it, and it wouldn't be a problem. But as I said, there would be an obligation to recover in a V-shape. So what's the next requirement? The next requirement is that price must face this structure and break through it with strength. In the future, it will find resistance here, problems it shouldn't take too long to deal with, and that's precisely where we would be obligated to see a master candle. On the 4-hour chart, or even better on the daily chart, that master candle would show something much more powerful, something with real force behind it. And well, take a look at this. This right here is powerful. The market was messing around, and then the big players, the institutions, step in and say, "Hey you, retail trader, what do you think you're doing? You really think we're going to keep going up?" And they slam their cards on the table with full force. They show their power. On the chart, that represents massive momentum. And look at how they trigger a change of character. We were moving upward. The institution puts its weight on the table, and straight down we go. So what do we want to see for a trend reversal? A master candle. We want to see the equivalent move, but upward. Micro black swans forming in key structures, in favor of the trend. And how would that be reflected in the real behavior of retail? Simple. The moment retail sees a master candle to the upside, they'll say, "All right, time to sell." And that's when we could finally see a shift in retail dynamics, while hopefully seeing stronger buying continuity from institutions. But right now, we don't have that. What we're seeing here is a complete nothing burger. There's nothing, absolutely nothing, showing that institutions are buying. So looking for a V-shaped reversal right now is acting like the smartest guy in the room. And I already explained what happens to that guy throughout this whole decline. We don't need to play that role. We have tools and methods to evaluate all of this properly.